love will carry us far away. I mean, they may say, "Wow, so muye na me dani me chia." Far away, I'll be gone. I'll be gone. What did I say? Abiana, good morning, net saying. It's always vibe when you come around. Vibes of
so
vibes.
Me, I no pay crime bedroom. 2 a.m. You go shoot too far away video.
Pressure.
2 a.m. Na my story giddy. Who don't see ya?
Energetic. Charlie, what bread? Why you dear? Because it's not easy, and I won't die. Because oh yes, I will die.
6 a.m. You go see me in school.
No buy. This way then you grow.
Oh, Adwuma way there enough for.
Yeah, the number boy Adwuma. Just to bring out the best.
Onua 95.1 FM.
Right, and a hard work pace because you might be on TV and it's solid. Until also when you have visuals, so I be supporting it. Just say, and you're not banging. No,
the visuals also banging upon banging.
So what I say? New song, our system New Year far away.
Far away is me featuring Family.
Family in the building.
Yes.
And one ajo. And I'm a call page. I'm spamming call show pictures. Me who watch it. VJ me mention our red carpet. Mention our. Say the whole silly. Hey, me who pictures pe. I didn't see you.
I was there.
Yeah. It's spamming call show pictures. Me who watch it. Na me who fire because what penny will page for. And I me say guy be lady be na do mo ye. Na ka say wa. Ah. We know. Ah, lady way there. O Abiana but I say you Onua.
And the guy me for week na share it so we see over. Remember that finish I say.
Hey, and that day. Oh wow. It's a video I'm quite baby son. I said this was just a grown and a
we like a promotional tool.
Okay.
If I say you used to like you call TikToks for lovers or TikTok so that they can see how they can react to the videos. So it was just a promotional tool like
Ah, said the bear be a
series, love series.
Okay. It said the bear more dropping no or platform be so. Obi obeso using you be able who said they obe
reacted to.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because video na me who was a clear image of. I said it explains the song's lyrics.
Yes.
It shows say two people more fall in love.
Exactly.
And also more explore
the things that they are doing together.
The song is beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Visuals in by but I'm hoping to say that you may see a fennel. Visuals in very nice. I know she.
Kitty be cry. Me who are then also no. Hey,
I better take you over.
I can say. Me as for me, I mean be like. I'm very much passionate about my job. I just don't want to just do anything because I mean, say posterity's sake. Maybe I may do baby no, obi ba share me page so because I think 3 days ago me call baby near bought 64 R&Bs na ye videos. Some say videos in the old show, but then say net. But so what share videos it's now about what so we there na check a crowd. But other will be someone say then like the white people and people in the diaspora, they put so much work into their art. Now, still, when you look at their videos, it's still relevant and the picture quality, everything. And one thing I'm saying, well, let me just put my best into this one and bring this one out.
I said, a dinner that whole cry. Years to come, you'll be proud of your work.
Yes, exactly.
And that's all I know. Because I know videos go how and should I need old though, but so old timers, some videos no fair, clear and put chain. And a story no soon to see whom. Say your video need that one I say without the song, ultimately I said this is what they wanted to say. What I say, it's true. For I want a trauma. What's not say? What should I share on say mobile try and I say mushi and I was
no, I think idea is see my many family link say you call award we be award show be you call na many family take round table so to mention I'm so super. My you more say trust. So for me, I need trust. I say trust. Oh, super men come kasa baby. What I just mean now.
95.1
last year, March, hono. Na me of frame no so me studio na yenye mo. me so yeah, both so I me call studio. I like to prepare. Inti me one melody wo me chima me do me to me catch engineer and I start here. So when me start here, no so vibe, young call. So yeah, later me was studio videos. So later, and I'm the lyrics video, but me voicing film. But later I'll load it and people will see how the writing process was like. It was so amazing.
Oh, and to the number no mom a friend or bra.
I now yeah now already no. Me na kasa so me number ni. Into me too kwine me buy last year March into. Me ba after April no wasa me see my ba no nti e hwa no so and the Tuesday nti e hwa no so far phone no friend say me bra nti ene it is that day of friend no na line the friend saying light off or friend so super you do light with because so me as a crowd but the next was friend be say me bra so he was very welcoming. Very welcoming.
And you one
video
because
okwa
idea
video shoots the cry no oh my god he left there around 11:30. He says he normally don't do that. I really,
you know,
I really like thank him for all his efforts. It was good.
When you are no.
Very much.
Anka when you saw will be anka ni be date
oh, there be for me okay you're in ma.
And crap.
For me bra.
Why are them many Japan because me shine like twice. Me shine or show on your show time. I'm saying VGM. I said they be all lively.
Very. Oh, mommy say me see video shoot. Oh, mommy asresa. To say passionate me no. Or comic side one.
I the cast so crazy. Seriously, cause he looks serious, but sometimes serious.
Yeah.
And on find him personal.
Oh, exactly. Well, I know that's trust. You try all camera. I say so when I was see last scene, so you know I'm sorry no. Hey. That's good.
But still, I would do them till 11.
Yeah, he did. But me free set so to 1 a.m.
I didn't hear.
Because that last scene, I had to shoot that last scene, and they needed the like you shoot a breeze, so they needed that fog.
A bono. So now someone tell her my bonnet back.
A bono. Shot that last scene.
Hey, in the video, there I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, so very nice.
But more releasing you know.
They're releasing you. See a visuals now. But I'm sure say you know faster. The visuals will come out like in 2 weeks time.
In 2 weeks time. Pressure. Far away. Then I inspire more to far away.
Oh, we say yes na Abanankasa na. We say Nancy I worry for a good. The woman worry and channel we good. We are good. So mostly is two lovers are or more catch or more say BB crazy they are still going to fight their way through their love process and make sure that they take each other far away. So it's like they professing it to each other, say, oh, through thick and thin, I'm gonna stay with you. So mostly no motivating me say me
and okay, because I believe it's a monia call can't open we are through it all, what am to me resolving.
And I most so no. Once I say you are what you always listen to. Imagine saying you may ball with him every time, and then you are telling yourself that no matter what happens, you're going to be with your partner. That kind of thing.
I told her, no matter what happens, if you don't leave, you die. When him sad there no, because when I say no, my case mean jawari, they are born ni bako. My case mean jawari, they are found bako.
As far as we frown on domestic violence, we all frown on that. I'll not allow any woman to. So better now will be it's not something.
But say little arguments there. Okay.
We say arguments, disagreements.
Yes, let's agree to disagree. And they send they normal. But say abo bemu ateni ni sa nyama bemu dia.
I don't support that.
Yeah. Shika, how was Shika? How did it go?
Shika went well, My mommy 2 nominations.
Oh, VGM.
Yes, VGM. High Life. The first one, but I saw my mini in a High Life Act of the Year.
Yes.
Yeah, because
tough.
Tough
skanga.
For me to be nominated, for a woman to be nominated in
that
category, it was something worth it for me. Me say I nominated me screaming yo I will feel me say but it just shows me that like the path that I've chosen, so I just have
And
to
the
just
fact of my
follow.
recognizable crime is something.
It's a plus.
Yes.
Yes.
Because go for more high life more nomination credit when you are compo, the onya
I'm telling you.
like
Two.
different
Yeah,
categories when you are
yeah,
two.
Yeah. So hey.
Next when no crunch that and you were yisa.
Oh me, and you said we all can win sometimes, when we all lose sometimes, but you should learn to take losses as well as when the win comes, you should learn to accept it too.
Tianshada and he too
Oh,
baby.
don't you may have so many years to come, so many awards to come. Awards does not even define and I say it doesn't define who I would be.
No.
Me the end year say me ye jumano. Now at the end of the day, no meaning say me the smiles to amount for it.
Exactly.
That is it. They are loving what I'm doing. They are passionate about my work, and when I sing to them, they are happy. That's like the most the gratitude I mean feel.
Which is beautiful.
Yeah, exactly.
Which is beautiful. Because we go on onya two nominations to say one when ya no aboto.
Oh no.
But say obey me see in action. O friend interview our ma oba no bebo na adwene. I know my wiem and I deserved it. But what accepting of very just say what do bunyi na age ya santo a just say next time bia no.
You self friend me biom kra na ma fa ma me kra me mesa akọ. Mesako.
Say o sanya nomination na wenye.
Oh mesako.
That's a hokwa na e dana.
And you say okay no, but look, it's one of our top. You can't Grammys in Yamana. Now we are proud of now.
This is
we
it.
want to. Abiana yes ye. Ebedu baby almost so African acts too. They'll be glad. Say Omudin will be mentioned in the African category because our award system is so big like this.
Yes. Your nominations cry nice.
Exactly.
Nice. So I so appreciate it. Because you recognize oh cry na nice because who say I didn't mean say a dream inspiring for people are actually discussing menu. Boy that got na so it's big.
It's really big.
I don't
because at the end of the day we share nyum na omo de won nyum no to
Jayo.
Won na wo bisa ho say criteria ben no mo so that there no.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I was saying number of years I make us in the pakon what system ni mu ache. Hit after hit now the only one compare and there I say in me say me any party through. So it's great.
So it's great.
Energy near positive.
Mostly me dream who in the aspect say share the fact that you've been nominated means that you're doing something good.
Yes.
That is it.
Yes. Simbia new onyom no ye solid.
Yes, for 3 times new bar system 2019 2020 nominating 21 22
Unyai but ubenya.
Odo.
Da Benjamin no be kwaje award no say.
Me do.
Me did chire him flag back flag is
flag me.
Ghana flag. Okay, there flag me. Flag with akuma so na. Na krobe na nominate you.
Krobe na Ghana flag say Ghana ko bobo.
Ghana din kuni easy o. Ye boss just say enye easy. What prepare speech onya award na beka and onya prepare.
Every time you ade ame.
Okay.
Ade ame say so far as you nominate me I see myself as a winner. See mostly say you nominate me I just draft it down on my phone.
On your phone. In the 2019 there no wo ho.
And me say no cry na wo ho but me who say my deleting po a. Na wo ho.
And 2020.
Me 2022 there no cry na wo ho. 21 there na wo ho. But 21 there no me call na me cook buy with my tears because I didn't farm me. Farm me. I have lyrics now. I did amateur talk and I'm telling you, farm me. Apart from that.
Aye. Me tan trapo me obi a me ya homa so ti me 5.3 exams.
There be o say ya che ama wa papa
na
watch na no.
Eno de obutu me fu say.
And I say upon na ba no na I did not
Okay.
Now I didn't na wuti.
As what di baba ko try exams.
Who me say wa o da ne ya no.
Ne nyina abeka fra. I get it. Momenti fara remember sisi ya. the sign is simple.
Very, very,
To be
very
able to
simple.
answer.
Yeah, anthem.
Nti say ye penyum ye hefa stream. I'm kind streaming lines on.
Streaming platforms.
No, actually.
Yeah.
Streaming platforms.
It's a whole phone so now we'll boom play audio mark. iTunes, Tidal, Uptown, baby, oh share now open you mate ya okwa no abo Abiana, no abo far away. Sebeba no wa downloading, no we streaming. And sometimes me ya na person me who say we streaming ti ja comments to home and reply. And as a oh tie me so na person follow me so Facebook and me IG me Twitter ni nyina active. So Abiana Music, Abiana Music, MUSIC. Omo nko follow na yen vibe.
What I say. Abiana, said oko bo show afi na obai. Ebeja mo akoda na akọ rest kaka na wanyare. What I say. The final words.
Final words is me do biara and I'm so grateful say Onua FM my friend na won so. God bless you for calling me.
Thank you so much for coming. Be a friend by Yamin Shao Pan and you fly far away.
Amen.
Far away. Thank you for coming, Abiana. Thank you so much. Thank you.